Hello, I'm Iris. We are FORTOP Industry Corporation Limited from Taiwan. We are specialized in producing the wiring harness, low voltage wiring harness and high voltage wiring harness for automotive and motorcycles. We have 3 own plants and 500 employees in Taiwan with certificate IATF 16949. Recently, we will open a new plant in Vietnam next year, and we had great success to work with the European motorcycle manufacturers. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.